Imagine you could fire 3 of your monthly freelancers this week and still deliver better, faster results for your business. No drama, no awkward goodbyes, just pure efficiency and a system that works harder than a full creative team. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to replace a copywriter, a graphic designer, and a video editor using a single AI stack that costs less than one freelance invoice. And this isn't theory. It's exactly what we and other high-performance founders are doing right now. We call it Protocol 009. How to use AI to replace 3 freelancers. The full tool list, automation workflow, and training prompts are inside our free lead magnet, the AI Freelance Replacement Stack, which you can grab from our Substack. Before we get into the tools, let's talk about why this is even possible in the first place. Most of what freelancers do for small to mid-sized businesses is what we call pattern-based work. That means the tasks follow predictable structures and repeatable steps. A copywriter will always start with a similar research process, then a rough draft, then refine the tone. A designer will go through inspiration, layout, revisions. A video editor will cut, arrange, add effects, and export. These patterns are exactly what AI excels at, because AI is designed to take in a huge set of examples, recognize the patterns, and then replicate them at speed. Once you realize that, you stop thinking of AI as a toy and start thinking of it as a replacement for roles that eat up budget and slow you down. Let's start with the copywriter. Copywriting is one of the easiest and most profitable roles to replace with AI if you do it correctly. Tools like ChatGPT-5, when combined with custom GPT workflows, let you train an AI model in your exact brand voice. That means your email campaigns, sales pages, blog posts, and ad copy can be generated on demand without losing that human touch your audience is used to. Here's the method. First, feed the AI with your best past work, the highest performing emails, sales letters, and social posts you've ever sent out. Next, give it explicit instructions about tone, structure, and formatting. Finally, create a small library of structured prompts that guide the AI to produce exactly what you need every single time. Once this is set up, producing a week's worth of copy can take an hour instead of several days. No waiting for a freelancer to come back with a draft. No paying extra for rush jobs. And because AI can generate dozens of variations instantly, you can A/B test far more aggressively than most small teams ever could. Now let's move to the graphic designer. This is where most people hesitate because they think AI art still looks like a bad stock image. That's not the case anymore. Midjourney version 6, Ideogram, and tools inside Canva Magic Studio now allow you to create high-end, on-brand visuals in minutes. The trick is consistency. You create what we call design prompt templates. Essentially reusable AI instructions that specify your brand colors, fonts, style, and image types. With these locked in, you can generate social media graphics, blog illustrations, product mock-ups, ad creatives, and even infographics without needing to brief a designer. Canva's Magic Studio takes it further by letting you edit and adapt AI-generated images inside a drag-and-drop interface, so even if you want to tweak something, it's just a couple of clicks. This alone can eliminate your design queue entirely. Next, the video editor. Video is exploding right now, but traditional editing is a bottleneck. You record, send the raw footage, and wait. Then you get back a cut, request changes, and wait again. AI destroys this bottleneck. With Descript, you can edit video just by editing the transcript. That means you can delete a sentence in text form, and it's gone from the video. Add captions, automatic. Adjust pacing, done in seconds. Then you add Runway Gen 3 or Pictory AI to generate matching B-roll automatically based on your script. No more digging through stock libraries. If you want a full social-ready version, you can even automate the process so that your copy and graphics feed directly into the video editor. You go from script to finished video in under 30 minutes, something that used to take days. Now think about the before and after picture here. Before, you're spending $36,000 a year on these 3 roles, juggling multiple time zones, waiting on deadlines, and dealing with the occasional life happens delays that come with human workers. After, you're spending under $150 a month, working in real time and producing more content than you ever thought possible, with fewer mistakes and faster iteration cycles. The deeper advantage is control. With freelancers, you're always working through someone else's process. With AI, you own the process. You can create content at 2 a.m. if inspiration strikes. You can make last-minute campaign changes without blowing up a timeline. And you can scale output instantly, double or triple the volume without doubling your costs. There's another layer to this. Once you integrate these tools, you don't just replace the freelancers. You create a system that's almost impossible for competitors to match without copying you directly. Because you're building a proprietary workflow, a custom AI stack tuned to your brand. That's an advantage you can take into any market. For copywriting, design, and video, we use what we call the triple stack method. That means each role is covered by a primary tool, a secondary tool for variations or backup, and a workflow automation layer to tie them together. This way, if one tool goes down or changes pricing, your system keeps running. For example, in copywriting, primary tool, ChatGPT-5 with a trained brand voice model. Secondary tool, Claude for alternative tone generation and long-form content. Automation layer, Zapier or Make.com to push finished copy straight into your CMS, email platform, or scheduling tool. In design, primary, Midjourney V6 for original high-quality image generation. Secondary, Canva Magic Studio for easy edits and layout. Automation, Brand Fetch or internal style libraries to keep visuals consistent across all platforms. In video, primary, Descript for transcript-based editing. Secondary, Runway Gen 3 for automated B-roll and special effects. Automation, Pictree, AI to cut and repurpose long videos into multiple shorts. Once you've built this triple stack for each role, you effectively have a 24/7 creative department that never asks for time off, never sends you an invoice, and never makes you wait for a Monday reply. We've documented this exact setup, every tool, every automation, every prompt, in our free AI freelance replacement stack PDF. It's not just a list of tools, it's the actual workflows we run every day to keep output high and costs low. If you've been thinking about cutting costs, scaling faster, or simply taking control of your content pipeline, this is where you start. Grab the stack from our Substack today, and in less than a week you could go from chasing freelancers to running your own fully automated creative machine. Because the truth is, AI isn't here to replace you. It's here to replace the people slowing you down. And when you own the system, you own the game.